Morning.
Morning.
Morning from America.
Morning from America. Morning from CT.
Morning from the Red Z.
Red Z.
Woo! RJ.
Josh.
My buddy.
Good morning.
Where's Andy?
Andy is in the toilet.
Taking a poop.
Taking a poop.
Yeah. What are we doing?
We're going to Yukon car show.
I'm robbing this. I'm driving this. Which is my favourite car in the world. RJ's taking the Black Z.
Yep.
Mick and Andy are taking the Key truck. How are you enjoying America?
Oh, my mind's blown.
All you gotta see is what's in his hand.
Duncan.
Woo, baby.
Baby girl.
Morning.
Ah yes, double vlogging.
Oh, get out of here.
Welcome to America. Is this your first clip in America with me?
It is, yeah.
Welcome. It's been a long time, Josh. We are two of the same. There's a saying. We're brothers. Over the food.
We have the same size noses. That's all you need to know.
Similar size cock.
That's it. We know because we measured this morning. What are we doing, Jim?
Having an allergy attack because I was in the bush. Car show. Local college here. Freaking out my nose. Woo! It's gonna be overwhelming. There's gonna be a lot of people. There's gonna be a lot of people. Oh my god, oh my god.
I can't wait to just see you get absolutely swamped.
Yeah, and you're gonna be my bodyguard. You're gonna be my stand-in actually.
I'm just gonna run away.
For 10-year me.
Look at Mick, dude. He's just such a handsome fellow, isn't he?
Yeah.
Look how happy he is. Let's go. I love this thing.
Mate, we got overtaken by an Arctic.
This thing on hit. I was just clicking forth. I hit limiter in fourth, and then I was just on fifth, and I wasn't going anywhere.
We've lost the whole pack because this truck is so slow.
That stinks, doesn't it? Do you reckon it's hot? It's not hot either. Yeah, definitely.
Mate, honestly, like I've never been in anything like that slow before. It's actually mad.
It's misfiring then.
Yeah, and every time you go around corners, it feels like the whole thing's just going to topple.
You can tell by literally looking at the motor. There's a shake on it.
Alright, leave it here. Jump in with me.
I'm actually gutted.
Looks like we're on the bevies today, bruv.
Oh, I wanted to drive this.
What you want? Galley jug?
Yeah, jug, homie.
Oh yeah. Get in the truck. Oh, way up.
Naughty.
Wrong side. This thing's gnarly, man.
This is actually like a supercar.
The gears are a bit hard in this. Bit of a struggle issue.
Hi guys, welcome to Andy's Fair Ladies.
That's a good accent, that was.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Oh, thank you, honey.
The galley.
The galley, baby.
So good. This is going to be wild, hey? Hey, yeah, 36 foot.
Yeah. This is crazy, isn't it?
It's crazy. And this is what, 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that was it.
Woo!
Waxy one.
Look at that. Nice.
Yeah.
Best car in here. That's pretty cool. Not a lot else. Don't like all this shit.
Like, he's not.
That makes me sick.
Oh, it's still forward, dude. That's like my favorite box.
Looks like a Ford Sierra from the front, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does actually. That is a shout.
Jesus. LSX. Woo! 28 inches. Massive.
Everything's big. I'm telling you.
Big boy.
Big boy.
Very big boy. Imagine getting that bull bar to your head.
Right, literally. Probably decapitate me.
Yeah, it would. Love that.
Keep on trucking.
Yeah, clean. That is clean. That's nice. Well done. The size on them, mental. Yeah, because that's just a car, right?
Yeah. Yeah, body.
On a truck.
I'm pretty sure the body is a Ford Ranchero.
Is that a Fox body?
That's a Fox body.
That is pretty gangster.
Yeah. That could be you.
That's fucking sick, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What is this thing? I do not know what to think about this.
Hellfire.
What the hell? What the hellfire? This thing.
This is great.
What is this? I want it. Yeah, I reckon this is my thing.
Malibu.
Malibu.
You know I was close with it.
Yeah, Chevy Malibu.
Chevy
We
Malibu.
have no idea.
No worries, man.
What year is it?
1978.
I want one.
Just don't know
They're
what it is
sick.
now.
Oldies for sure.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Is that the one?
That's the one, I
Is that
reckon.
the one we're taking home?
Yep. That's the one we're importing.
Give me the keys then, brother. That's true. I think it's sick. I like one of them.
Andy's mad.
Why no rear wheel drive? God darn Americans.
Gosh darn, what's this? Some money in them seats now. Yeah, that's cool. Right, we're gonna get out of here.
Yeah.
Because this is exhausting. Get some bloody screen,
Oh, I
mate.
fucking love the screen out here, mate. That's Aussie, isn't it? Well,
There we go.
there's the end of it.
There's the end of it. Everyone keeps thinking that we're Jimmy.
Oh, yeah.
We're Jimmy! And they're like, what the fuck?
One kid went to me, he goes, what the fuck? And I was like, I stole it. Jesus fucking Christ. I did not expect that. Oh.
She breaks the tyres, alright?
What a beauty. If in doubt, flat out, I suppose.
I'm in love with this.
Me too.
So good to drive. We're all tired. We got up really early. Boys are still probably a bit jet lagged. What are we doing? Just going back and chilling.
Drink beer.
Drink some beer.
Put some feet up.
Alright, brother.
Alright, brother.
My favourite car.
Yeah, let's hear
that old American Chevy Malibu was
Oh,
cool.
because you guys don't see those big ass.
Yeah.
That's cool. How Andy, do you have a good time? That's all I care about.
I saw a 86 on 14-inch watts. I was pretty happy with that.
He was just looking for small wheels the whole time and just not finding
He's
any.
one of them.
Yeah.
He's one of them. That's why he liked the mini truck.
Yeah, yeah.
That's literally it.
Yeah, it was the wheels.
NA and small wheels. I was like, yeah. that's the
Well,
perfect
Mick and Andy come to America and blow up my K truck, so
car. I'm so sorry.
you can clickbait the title.
Yeah,
We blow
that's
up
it.
Jimmy's truck. Yeah, that's the thumbnail, just his face. Just him and Mick.
Sorry.
That was a good day.
Great day.
It was cool to like hang out at a car show and see what the difference is, but
Yeah.
there's not a lot of differences, so.
There was just a big one. That was just a big one.
Yeah.
Going to go do some drifty cars.
Yeah?
Yep. Well, I say we. I'm not doing any drifty cars. We're gonna go watch some drifty cars, which will be good fun. And we're just in the middle of nowhere at the moment. We're about to be part of a Netflix horror documentary, I reckon. Judging by half of these.
I think it's the last event of Drift Week.
Yeah.
Drift Week is this thing in America where there's a week of drifting. Crazy, eh? Jimmy's driving. He woke up well early this morning, so he's already there. So we're just gonna go meet him there. Hopefully do some passenger laps. Oh, there we go.
Thompson Speedway, we're here. Right?
Right, right,
Oh,
sir.
stop. No, maybe not.
No, sir.
Antonio, you gotta go around the building and back that way.
Ah, sick.
Sick.
You alright?
Just away.
You good?
Yeah.
Good.
Having fun?
It's good. A little nippy.
Yeah.
Here's the handsome boy.
What up?
How you doing? How you blokes? We're bloking it around, mate.
They've just been blokes.
Hey, you made it.
How you doing?
We got the RJ mold bomb.
Yeah.
What's up,
guys?
boys?
You good, brother?
What's up? Yeah, I'm doing good.
I break for goth girls.
Yeah, of course.
That's
You do too. I know. I can tell by your face you do also. He's cutting that shit out. There we go.
That's not safe.
crazy, eh?
Just ain't quite wheels, is it?
Crazy, eh?
Ain't quite Birmingham wheels, that's for sure. Leftover wings, baby.
Leftover wings. from
Wings, baby.
What was it? J. Timothy's?
J. Timothy's.
The wing spot. We got some
Crazy.
blue cheese ranch, whatever that is. Andy's wing review. Oh, straight in.
You done a shit job of that, ain't you?
still buy them. So I'm not gonna drift the first section.
Yeah.
This car has like no power, but we'll drift the back.
The little twisties.
The best lap I had all day. So
That was sick.
That was a good one. Do you feel us on the rumble strip? Like,
Yeah.
That was a back end, like, hanging on by a thread.
That was so good. How you getting on, Hunk?
What?
How you getting on?
How am I getting on? I'm getting on good.
Yeah. The clutch is being funny.
Yeah, the pedal just gets stuck to the floor. Then I gotta like stick my foot under, pick it up.
I've never been skidding with you.
What was that?
I've never been drifting with you before.
No, sir. Sucks is gonna be in this car. No, my coupe is something else, dude. I wish we had that here.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
You would be in love. But we're good. See, it's great. Everything's great. That's the goal, to get slapped by that thing. Damn. That was crazy.
That was sick, what
That was cool. That was a good time.
Yeah. Take care of my boy, alright?
Ready. He's a good, he'll keep me safe between Jimmy's car when Jimmy blasts through.
Yeah, yeah, you're the sandwich layer.
Sweet, that's on the airbag.
Yeah.
Hurt my airbag.
Have fun, boys. We've got Grant, Jimmy, Rudnick. Looks alright.
How'd it feel?
It felt like shit. Look at it. We're back outside.
I just didn't expect it.
What happened?
I felt like I was gonna spin, and I didn't want Grant to hit me, and so like I kind of locked it up, and for some reason we asked Andy, we just like understeered what felt like an hour.
You alright?
Down south?
Yeah. Always.
She used to crash it out, okay?
I didn't realise it was that hard until I saw your video. I'll put Andy's iPhone video in now. You'll see how hard that actually was.
Damn, we hit the wall hard.
He goes, oh, thanks for the good experience.
It was so fun, man.
First ever tandem laps.
Yeah, it's pretty
Gnarly, innit?
gnarly, bro.
There we go, hurry up. Oh, nice and tight, nice and slow. Ooh, baby.
What else you got?
What the fuck was that? Booker, like when you 180 and half cab, you hop so much higher than normal. Where'd that come from?
I don't know, I'm 3-4 beers deep now as well.
That'll loosen you up some bit.
Ooh.
Get away with that?
No, that hurt.
Mun's got hops.
Wow, 2 dead sailors in a row.
That's the warm up.
Follow him up.
That was a fat boy whip.
Follow him up.
It was still a madness.
That was a madness.
Yeah.
Mine's hot. Ready, Martha?
This will bring back some memories.
Kind of.
Proper.
That felt crazy. Icy. Mine's hot. It's good. Icy.
Spicy Jackie.
Let's do a hop 3. Nice little hop 3. Nosedive. Land nosedive on it.
Also left control.
That nose was up.
I'm getting a headache.
I think that's the beer.
How many beers that is?
That's too many beers, Stevie. Yo.
Hey.
He's got a solid fucking pump going on to do that shit. Say it, Mick. Man's pumped.
That's the Miller Lite.
Yeah. I wouldn't have thrown that without the beer. Shout out beer.
Wow.
Should we end the video?
Should you?
Oh yeah, true.
Before it gets too drunk and incoherent.
Yeah.
I want to see Drunk Andy.
wanna see Drunk Andy?
I want Andy to go off.
You need a few more beers for that. That sideways as well.
God damn. Legend.
Nice.
This is what the peak male figure looks like, by the way.
Can we get a talk
may
to
not
me
like
nice?
it.
It's perfect for everything. Eat what you want, do what you want, ride what you want.
Shag what you want.
We're going on a little trip. We'll be back in here in a week or so.
Perfect. You say when, I'll be here.
All right, sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
we're coming back. Thanks for skinning today.
Thanks
Yeah,
for.
okay about that.
Good day, yeah,
Good
thank
day.
you for that. Good day.
Yeah, it was a good day. Yeah.
We give Andy a proper break-in.
He broke his neck in.
Mick just front row seat.
That was a good experience for Mick for a first.
Yeah, it was great. Right. See everyone later. We'll see you in a few days. We're going to go do some fun stuff in Pittsburgh.
Stay tuned for more content. This is not my channel. Goodbye.
Cool. I will see you in the next video next Sunday. Thanks for watching. America's amazing.
You lot be safe down Beaver Springs, eh?
Yeah. We'll have a great time in Beaver Springs. See you later, doggo. Thank you. Goodbye.